Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change the video resolution of a template that you use on Capcut. So here I've already on the template tab on my Capcut, and I'm going to just use, for example, use this template. Oops. Okay, I'm going to use this template. So just click on a use template and add your photos or videos. Okay, I'm going to just add this one. Click on preview. So to change the resolution, you need to click on the export first, and then here there will be a text called 720p. You can just click on this to change the resolution, and here you can change the resolution up to 4K, but I'm going to just go with 1080p. So just swipe this dot and click on done, and after that click on export. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment. Bye.